Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today we are testing out the Poly Voyager 4320 UC. Okay, before we get into the unboxing and review, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I have to say, I have some pretty high expectations for this headset. I'm really excited for it, and first impression, it looks beautiful. I feel like it's actually pretty unique to have a headset with shine like this, so it actually looks really different from all my other ones. We also have the quick start guide here. I kind of jumped right to the headset. I got excited. You have what all of the buttons do and how to connect it, and then as well as download the software. You also have the dongle, and underneath you have more instructions and guides, a cord if you would rather plug it in instead of doing Bluetooth, and once again, more guides. We also have a carrying case, which I really like, and it does have a place to hold the dongle, so that's always convenient. Some of the standout features, though, are dual connectivity via Bluetooth and USB dongle for seamless switching between devices, up to 24 hours of talk time for truly all-day use, noise-canceling microphone with Acoustic Fence Technology for clear calls, on-ear controls for easy call management and media control, and last but not least, a lightweight and comfortable design for extended wear. As far as the buttons go, we have this middle button, which actually controls a lot. It can be a Siri and Google Assistant button, as well as fast forward and rewind, depending on how long you hold it down for. You also have volume up and volume down on this ear, in addition to a mute button on the mic arm, which is bendy and adjustable, so that's nice. And then on the bottom, you have a charging port, and last but not least, the power on and Bluetooth toggle. So now I think it's time to hop on a Teams meeting and put this to the test. I also wanted to point out that the bottom does adjust on either side, so that way it can fit on your head comfortably. And first, let's see what it would sound like if we were to use this headset in a call center. This is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if you're using the Poly Voyager headset in a call center. And for reference, this is what it would sound like just in the call center. And this is what it would sound like if you were working from home and dogs were barking and you were on a Teams meeting with this headset. And this is what it would sound like in person with dogs barking. Okay, also, if you're liking this camera, don't forget to check out our last video, which is the Jabra Panicast 20 and Jabra Speak 275. I told you guys I was going to be using this camera in the future, and I still am. So if you're curious about that, go check it out. But let's get back to the Voyager headset. Okay, so after watching the footage back, as you can tell, my voice comes through crystal clear, even though it does mute out the background noise really well. It doesn't muffle the audio coming from me at all. You can hear the dogs barking a little bit, but like I always say, we crank the volume up so that we can really put these headsets to the test. And I think that this one did a great job. I love the look at it. I love all of the features, and especially the 24-hour battery life. I feel like that's a pretty standout feature. So all in all, if you're looking for a new Bluetooth headset, whether you work from home, hybrid, call center, I think the Voyager is a very great option. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment of what you want to see next. And we'll see you next time when we put more tech to the test. Bye.